Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to take a look at the official OneUI 7 update, which is the Android 15 update for our Galaxy Tab S9 FE and the Tab S9 FE Plus. As you can see here, update is ready to install. I have already downloaded it and you can see OneUI 7. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at it. So guys, this is my Tab S9 FE Plus and I have downloaded the OneUI 7 update, and let's click on install now, which is straight away we are going to do that. It says please wait, so you have to just wait and you can grab some coffee or whatever snack you want. So you can grab a snack and wait for it to process the update, prepare it, and then it will start installing the whole process will go on and it will start installing the Android package, which is the Android 15 package. So guys, the tab just rebooted and I think it is going to it is going to flash the package, or you can update the device to the Android 15, and which comes with OneUI 7. So I'm really excited to see how OneUI 7 works on tablets. This is my first tablet, and also the Tab S9 FE. I'm going to also make a review on how it has improved the performance or maybe the battery life. A lot of people are complaining about the battery life, so I'm going to make a little bit review, a separate review, a full review on Android 15 update. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also press the like button and dislike button. Till now, what you think about the video, you can express it through that, and also you can provide the feedback for my video in the comment section. So guys, the flashing process has been done and the device has rebooted, and you can see the Samsung Galaxy logo. Now it will soon show the boot animation. It will soon boot into OneUI 7, which is the Android 15 update. And you can see the boot animation, and previously it was just Samsung, and now the boot animation says Samsung Galaxy. And you can see OneUI the optimizing app screen. So it is just a few seconds remaining to get the device ready, and hopefully all has went well. Like, this is the official update, so there won't be any issues, but I've heard a lot of other flagship users, the previous models have faced a lot of issues with OneUI 7 update, so I was like very scared. But yeah, I had my exams, so the time has gone, and now let's see. Hopefully everything is well made. So this is the lock screen. Let me just quickly let the device relax after the reboot. So it has displayed the OneUI 7 welcome screen. Let's start. This is the setup wizard, OneUI 7 setup wizard. So you can see you can get an overview of all the new settings, all set up. You can also explore and see what's new. We are just going to home, and this is OneUI 7 home screen. It will take some time to settle it on, but yeah, now we have seen some differences. You can see the weather widget, the widgets are shrink, so you can customize them later. Let's first take a look at this beautiful app screen. You can see all the new icons, the OneUI 7 icons, and the search bar at the bottom, the menu. Then going into settings, this is the settings UI. Familiar with the OneUI 6.1.1 UI. Let's straight away move into about tablet and going into software info, and as you can see, OneUI 7 Android version 15, and the security patch is of 1st April 2025. So yeah, being I thought the update will be released in June with June security patch, but yeah, we have got April security patch, and I'm really grateful to Samsung to provide me this update. Like, I know it was planned way earlier, but right now the latest timetable said it will be released in June because it gets the quarterly updates. But yeah, at the end of May they have given us the update, so really grateful, Samsung. So guys, this is the OneUI 7 update, and let me give you a quick overview before ending this video. So this is the home screen. I have configured the widgets, and then I will properly do it once I end the video, and then I will obviously make a full review of all the battery life, the performance. If it is degraded, then I will tell you all that, and if it is upgraded, I mean, it won't be upgraded, but yeah, a slight performance increase or something positive about this update, then I will surely let you guys know about that. First, we're going to move into settings, and the settings UI is just the same. It doesn't have any uh, like differences with the Android 14. So this is the settings UI. You can see one by one. You can see all the modes, all the settings. You can see this the modes and routines. This is sound. So yeah, the UI is the settings UI is kind of same. Then you have lock screen notifications. Moving in, you can see you can click on icons or dot, whatever you prefer. Then let's move down. Display. You can also choose a light mode. You have brightness, dark mode settings. You can also schedule that. So settings are almost similar. There's no additional stuff you get with the OneUI 7 Android 15. This is the battery usage panel. You can see everything is similar. It's not that kind of an update where you get a lot of extra stuff. And all the wallpapers, the default one, and you can also check if there are any others, but no. So yeah, these are the only wallpapers you get. Then there's the home screen stuff, settings. You can see some UI changes here, and you can also set your favorite grid, 8 into 6, 10 into 6. App screen grid you can set similar way. Going down below, you can see you have Google Discover, and yeah, a lot of stuff related to home screen and launcher. Then lock screen, and you can also set some lock screen stuff. And we also have a now bar now. You can see I have enabled it for that. Current mode and for the media player. So let's play a song. It might be we might get a copyright notification, like a copyright on our video. So let's play a different type of a song, or maybe let's try the recorder. Now we are recording. Okay, let's just play it here. Oops, there's the face recognition turned on. So, and you can see this is how the nav bar works. So the recorder widget, the nav bar widget, now bar widget is right in here. Also, you get a lot of stuff. You can configure that into the now bar screen, and you also get this like a overlay widget kind of stuff if you want to see all the proper overview of the app, what the app is doing. And with Android 16 we are getting a lot more stuff. We are going to get tracking related info, the progress bar which we are calling out at. So this is similar, but this is not type of progress bar, so it will just let you know it's like a live notification thing. Then okay, lock screen is done. We are going to talk about all this settings and all the stuff in the full review part. Right now I'm just going to show you an overview. This is not that kind of a stuff. Google, you can see the, and yes, let's see if there's something some new stuff in a spin. I don't know. Nope, I don't see anything new here. If like comparing like something for the tab, and here into software info you can also see here we are recently updated. You can see software is up to date, and that is it for all the settings you get. And you have already seen the home screen, and this is the app drawer. These are the icons you get. You can see these are the basic Samsung icons, and we have all new calculator app. We also do get, where is it, this new gaming hub, which you can also configure at your own pace when you are setting up, or after you are setting up the device, And yeah, new gallery. You can see you have this new gallery, You can also check this out later. And what else I can show you here is the camera UI. So yeah, most importantly the camera UI. This is me, and didn't want to reveal my face, like it's already been revealed a lot of times. So this is the camera, this is the UI. And I also post a separate video on camera to see if it is kind of like improved, but I don't have the previous sample. So yeah, let's see how will I make it. And this is all these modes which you can, I don't know if anyone is going to check out modes and all that, but yeah, I'll discuss about camera and the stuff in the later part, which is the next part, which is the full review. So this was it for the One UI 7. Obviously the new battery icon, if you guys can see the battery icon here, you can see this is the new battery icon. Yeah, so you can also see these changes quite a few. If you know about the change, then you can see them quite a few times, and then you will get to see what else is the new stuff and what else not. So I'll be covering all that in the next part of the video, which is a full review, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video. I don't have anything to say about the One UI 7 update right now. I have seen it in other phones. I've used it on my Galaxy S8 as a port, so right now I'm going to use it for a few days, and maybe in a week you will get this update, the review of this One UI 7 update. And let's see, I hopefully Samsung has not made any mistakes and I'm not getting any green or pink lines on my tab. I hope not. I have insurance. Samsung has provided free insurance when I bought this tab, so I hope that covers it if it ever happens, but I don't want it to happen in the first place, so let's hope for the best. And guys, if you have the Galaxy Tab S9 FE or the FE Plus, then you can expect an update soon, because first Korea got the update and now we have it in India, so I guess it's a global update push. So let's see and wait. If you haven't got the update, you have to just wait, or I will find the firmware and I will make a separate video on how to update manually for those who haven't received the update. Just make sure you follow the country code and your region properly while flashing it. So yes, that was it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, press the like button. If not, the dislike button. Also, you can comment down below for your feedback and any comments you have about this video. And that's it. Bye bye. See you guys soon and take care. Bye bye.